Okay, hello class. Today we continue to 7.3 expectation of any function of x. Okay, so for expectation of any function of x for subtopic 7.3, you have two types, for mean and for variance. Okay, let's say we continue to mean first. Okay, if given E2 mean expected 2, your answer become the value given. It given E2, so the answer is 2. Okay, if it given E5 means expected 5, so the answer is 5. Just take the value given for the expected. Okay, but for variance, if given variance 2, the answer is 0. Okay, if given V5 variance 5, the answer is 0. That means if given variance and the value, your answer must be equal to 0. Any value given for the variance, the answer must be 0. Different with the mean for the expected. If expected number, so the answer must be the number here. Okay. Next, we continue to expected 2x. You have value and variable x. Okay, if you have expected 2x, it become the value is 2 and then you have ex, 2ex. Okay, next, expected 5x. Okay, the value is 5 and then you take expected x. Okay, for variance, if given variance v2x, okay, the value here, you take the value 2, but you must square the value. So 2 square and then you take vx, variance x. Okay, next, if given variance 5x, so you take the value 5, you must square and then vx. Okay, this is the difference between mean and variance. Okay, next, expected 2x plus 3. Okay, expected 2x plus 3, you can write as, okay, 2, you take the value of 2, ex. Okay, plus e times 3 is e3. Okay, this is for plus value, so the answer also plus. And if given expected 2x minus 3, okay, means 2 expected x minus become minus expected 3. Okay, continue to variance 2x plus 3. Okay, if variance 2x plus 3, 2, you must square, 2 square, okay, variance x, okay, plus variance 3. Okay, and if the variance is minus here, you take 2 square variance x. Okay, the minus become positive. So means for variance, if plus also plus, is minus also plus. Okay, no minus for variance. So 2 square variance x plus variance 3. Different with the mean. If minus here, also minus for mean. But for variance is minus, must be convert to plus. Okay, let's continue to example 1. Given the probability distribution for the random variable x is shown below. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0 0.1, 0 0.15, 0 0.3, 0 0.2, and 0 0.15. Okay, so for here, for x equal to 1, have a correction, not 0 0.1. Okay, you change to 0 0.2 here. Okay, because the total must be equal to 1. So 0 0.2, 0 0.15, 0 0.3, 0 0.2 plus 0 0.15 must be equal to 1. Okay. Okay, so the value in your note, please change to 0 0.2 for x equal to 0. Okay, let's continue to number 1. Find the expected x. Okay, expected x is from subtopic 7.2. Okay, the formula to find the expected x is sum x times the pxx. Okay, so how to calculate? 0 you times 0 0.2, okay, plus 1 times 0 0.15 plus 2 times 0 0.3 plus 3 you times 0 0.2 plus 4 you times 0 0.15. Okay, this is how to find expected x. Okay, so after you calculate, the final answer is 1.95. Okay, continue to number 2. Variance x. Okay, same. This is from subtopic 7.2. To find the variance x, you must use the formula expected x square minus expected x square here. Expected x square here is the value of 1.95. You just square. Okay, so we need to find the expected x square. Okay, to find the expected x square is sum x square px. Okay, you minus expected x is from number 1 is 1.95 square. Okay, how to find x square px? You just square the x and then you times the px. Okay, so 0 square times 0 0.2 still 0. So just take 1 square times 0 0.15. Okay, plus 2 square times 0 0.3 plus 3 square times 0 0.2 plus 4 square times 0 0.15. Okay, and then don't forget to minus value for expected x is 1.95 square. Okay, so total the sum x square pxx must be equal to. Okay, so the total for x square px here is 5.55. Okay, and then you minus the value of 1.95 square here. Okay, the final answer for your variance must be equal to 1.75. Okay, let's continue to number 3. Find expected 3x. Expected 3x. Okay, so start use the subtopic 7.3. Okay, expected 3x means you take the value of 3 and then expected x. Okay, so 3 times expected x from answer number 1, expected x is 1.95. Just substitute the value. So 3 times 1.95, the final answer is 5.85. Okay, then continue to number 4. Find the expected 3x plus 4. Expected 3x plus 4. Okay, first you find the expected 3x plus 4. It become 3 expected x plus e times 4 expected 4. Okay, so 3 times expected x is 1.95 and expected 4, expected value, it become 4 only. Okay, so 3 times 1.95 plus 4. Okay, the final answer is 9.85. Okay, next we continue to number 5. Okay, find variance 2x plus 5. Okay, first you expand for x, variance 2x plus 5. It become 2 square because variance must be used 2 square variance x. Okay, plus, also plus. Okay, v times 5 is variance 5. Okay, 2 square is 4. Okay, variance x, you done calculate in number 2. Your answer for variance x is 1.75. Okay, plus variance 0 is variance and the value here, the answer is 0. Okay, so 4 times 1.75 only, the final answer is 7. Okay, and then for example 2, please try, okay, and check your answer here. Okay, for number 1, make sure the value of m equal to 1 over 49. Okay, number 2, the expected x is 236 over 49. Okay, number 3, expected 2x plus 5. The final answer is 717 over 49. Okay, number 4, find the variance x. Okay, the final answer is 5260 over 2401. And the last, to find the variance 2x minus 5, the final answer is 8.76. Okay, so we finish for chapter 7, discrete random variable. Okay, thank you.